Hello everyone, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Hogwarts Legacy is having audio sound is not working, or it is crackling or muffled, and it is popping audio on a Windows 11 or Windows 10, and how you can completely fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one is all about the simple step. You always have to do a restart. That is what you have to try as the first step. So just go over here in the task manager, click on this icon, go for a restart. After restart, check. And most probably this is just a very basic step which you can try out. This is not going to work for sure, but let's try with the restart. That is how it's going to work. Next one is all about you have to check the volume mixer. For that reason, what we have to we just have to go over here in the sound. Now from here, we just have to go to settings. Now from here, you just have to go to sound. Over here, as you can see, the volume, the speaker is being set into R, and as you can see that the volume is being set into 75%. So I'll keep this to maximum and make sure this is not muted. Simultaneously, if you are over here in the volume, this should be also the same. Input and output should be 100%. It should not be muted or something. So that will be having an issue. So make sure that this is muted. So this is how you're checking the volume mixer. It's not muted. It is all correct. Next one is all about you have to make sure that you are using the right audio device in the sound setting. For that, we just have to go over here. Now go to settings over here. Click on settings. From here, go to sound. Now from here, we have to select the speaker and make sure that you're on the right speaker. Okay, so this is what you have to do. You just have to make sure you're on the right speaker. Simultaneously, this is very important to know that, or else you'll be having a lot of trouble, especially regarding these audio issues. So make sure you're on the right speaker. Next one is all about we have to set the sound sample rate into 48 or 44 kilohertz in sound control panel. For that, just go over here in the search. Now go for control panel, search for control panel, open this. Now from here, we have to navigate to sound and hardware. So it is quite important. From here, you have to follow all the instructions, so which is very important. So first go to sound. Now from here, you have to select the speaker. So this is my speaker, so I have to right click, go to properties, go to advanced. Over here, this being set into 24-bit 48,000. So I have to click this. So you can set this to either 24-bit 48,000 or we can go for 24-bit 4400,000. It depends on it, but keep in mind 24-bit 48,000 studio quality. That is going to work fine. So this is what you have to do. Once after done with that, just go back to the game and try to play the game, and you can see the differences. Moving to the next one is all about you have to do is you just have to disconnect controllers when you're trying to launch the game. So for some reason, so this is happening for many of the users, as I used to say in all the video. You're already trying to play the game with the controller or whatever it may be. And when you're trying to launch the game, you're getting this particular error on sound and all those things. Just eject everything. Okay. Once after that, just try to play the game. After the game has been launched, then connect it back and try to play the game. And this did worked for many users. I have no idea how this is related or how it is working all good smoothly all the time. But this did work, and you have to try the same. Next one is all about you have to turn off spatial sound. For that, we just have to go over here in the search. Go for control panel. Now go to sound. Now from here, select the respective speaker. So this is mine. Right click, go to properties, go to spatial sound. Over here, as you can see, this being turned off. Click on this, and we are having an option. So Windows Sonic for headphones and off. So make sure if it is Windows like this, if it is that, just turn it off. Go for OK. Keep in mind this is always turn it off. And once after that, just close everything, go back to the game and try to play the game. And this is going to work as well. Next one is all about you have to disable voice Oculus meter. That is very important step which you have to try out. For that, we have to go over here in the search, go to control panel, navigate to sound. Now from here, you have to make sure that Oculus is not connected. So right now, as you can see, I'm connected to the speakers. As you can see, it is over there. There is Oculus and all those things. So you have to make sure from our side that if Oculus is there, you have to completely disable it. Right now the speaker is fine, but do not disable the speaker, so the issues will be worse and more. So what you have to do, just disable the Oculus over there, and once you're done with that, just close everything. Now close this as well and go back to the game and try to play the game. Moving to the next one is all about you have to disable the unwanted from the device manager. For that reason, just go over here in the start and go to device manager over here. Now from here, we just have to go to sound, video and game controllers. Over here, as you can see, this is my speaker, but apart from this is not mine. So just keep this and rest everything you can disable it one by one. Just disable this. Keep this one, that is Realtek R audio is my speaker, so I have to keep this and disable rest everything. And once after that, try to play the game, and that is going to work as well. Next one is all about you have to disable the external and internal microphone. That can be done. If you wanted to do this, you just have to go over here in the search, go to control panel once again, navigate to sound. Let's just like usual, select the respective one, right click and go to properties. Sorry, not there, just over from the speakers, you just have to right click. There is an option to disable it and disable it. Once after that, try with this, and this is going to work easy as well. Moving to the next one is all about you have to install the audio driver as well as you have to update your Windows. For installing the audio driver, just go over here in the search. Sorry, on the start, just go over here in the device manager. Now from here, you have to go to over here in the sound. Now just select the Realtek audio, that is mine, but up to you, it will be different. So you have to select the respective one, just go for update driver, search automatically and make sure it is installed. Regarding the Windows update, just go over here in the search, go for settings over here, go to Windows update at the bottom left. Now from here, you have to make sure they're getting download and install option, just install it. And after that, try to play the game, and this is what it's going to work like it is. So this is how we can fix the Hogwarts Legacy is having an issue with sound, or it is not working, or it is audio is having an issue, it is muffing up, or it is crackling and all those kind of issues, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. Also, I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read article on Hogwarts Legacy on our website, Get Droid Tips. Also, I'll be providing a parallel website which is Droid Filehost, a file manager website. And also, I'll be providing a link in the description to our new website, that is Gaming Book. So you can try all these things, and that's what I would bet. So I'll come back to the next video in as soon as possible. That's what it's all about. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.